So before we get started, I'd just like to say a really quick thank you to this video sponsor, Global Pen Friends, and I'll talk about them in just a little bit. So just a quick disclaimer, I'm not an expert or a professional in any way. These are just a few tips that'll hopefully help you get started at least. Okay, so if you're just starting out and if you kind of just want to get the hang of things, it wouldn't hurt to start pen paling with people you know in real life, like your friends or family that are also interested in pen paling. That may kind of sound boring to some people at first, since right off the bat you'd probably want to exchange letters with someone who lives on the other side of the world, but it's actually a really great way to start off since you already know who you're going to be talking to. You don't have to worry about safety and things like that, and also it'll just help you get the hang of things. At least that's how I started pen paling. Before I talk about other ways you can find pen pals, I just want to mention that safety is something that I personally keep an eye on when looking for pen pals, and I think that everyone should be careful when talking to people they don't know, especially if they're people from the internet. I think it's important that the person you're going to be talking to and exchanging letters with is, well, a real person and will respect your privacy and things like that. Also, if you're underage or not an adult yet, please make sure to ask permission from your parents first, because you are giving away personal information. So yeah, just wanted to get that out of the way. Moving on, so if you want to expand your horizons and meet new people through pen paling, you can look at websites, and this is where our amazing sponsor comes in. So Global Pen Friends is a club that basically helps you find a pen pal, and I'm just going to be showing you what the website looks like. To register, you just have to enter your email and verify it, then add a password, and then you can sign in and start making your profile. So the first part is basically where you enter personal things like your address, interests, what you're looking for in a pen pal, and all sorts of other things that's just gonna help, start your little page on the site. This online club isn't limited to just snail mail. There are a variety of choices you can pick from, like candy swaps, art trades, etc. There are also little checkboxes on what you're interested in, like if you're interested in anime or music or books, things like that. Once you're done with that, you can add a profile picture, preferably one of yourself. I'm just using this as an example. And then once everything is done, you just have to wait for your account to get approved. One of the things I really like about this site is that your account or your profile page on the website has to get approved first before you can start communicating with people all over the world. And this is just to make sure that you're not on there for the wrong reasons, like dating or whatever scary thing you could go on there for. So if you're just as concerned with safety as I am, that's kind of like a really good thing that they have that feature. Anyways, I'll leave a link to their website down below if you want to go check it out and see how you like it. So one other option is Instagram. It's probably not as formal as websites, but you can find a lot of people you can pen pal with over there. I've personally only ever exchanged letters with mutuals on Instagram, so there are a lot of hashtags you can use to find people who are also interested in pen paling. A lot of the time they're going to be talking about what they're interested in, where they're from, and then you can just comment or DM them if you're interested. There are also accounts just catered to finding pen pals. I'll leave all the hashtags and the links down below. When it comes to social media, I always kind of want to make sure that I'm talking to the right people. Please be careful and make sure that you get to know the person you're talking to first. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope this helped you a little bit, and fingers crossed you'll find a pen pal because, it's fun, it's a good time. Thank you so much again to Global Pen Friends for sponsoring this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm now gonna leave you with a little ASMR because who doesn't like ASMR?